Here is another beautiful piece that Ken brought in today. This is called the, what is this, Ken?
This is the two-piece hutch.
Okay, tell them what the wood is.
Yeah, absolutely. All the wood that I use in my cabinetry all comes from a supplier. It's all kiln dried down to 6%. All the painted part of the cabinetry is all poplar lumber, and then I use pine for anything that's stained. It turns out much better. The stained part is stained, and then also has 3 coats of clear on it, which allows you not to worry about anything getting watermarks on it. And all the drawers, they're all dovetailed, and the doors, they're all framed together.
What a beautiful piece to put in your home. What a statement piece that'll last you for many, many years. You know, it's just a quality piece to put all your beautiful pieces on. So we look forward to seeing you, and come on in and see us. Thank you.